This is what it looks like when you get it. You've got it made. I am gonna put some gloves on for this one. Break a piece off. Warms up to your hands. It's a little crumbly. It'll come together. Even through the gloves, the heat of my hands works with it. The one thing you don't want to do is second guess yourself and add more chocolate, thinking it's going to need more. It won't melt, and then you'll have lumps. Figure your recipe out. Okay, see how it turned a little bit shiny? Even with the gloves on, and those are brand new gloves. Okay, we're going to set this down. I'm going to roll it out. You don't need any cornstarch or anything on the counter. Rock and roll. Ha ha ha. Rock and roll. Okay, pick
So
it
how
up.
thin should we make this?
It's up to you. If it starts breaking away,
It's up to me. It's going to be a lot.
yeah,
I love chocolate.
a lot. You want it thicker?
Nah, I would, but
Well, since I'm
that's
putting it
just to
under
eat.
here, I'm just conserving, so
okay.
I'm just taking
So
it
pretty thin.
pretty thin. Handle ability thin.
Oh.
Whatever's easiest for you. If you can go thinner and pick it up without it tearing apart, that's the nice thing about this is you can just press it into place.
Gotcha.
Okay?
So you want to cover the entire surface of the styrofoam
Yes.
with modeling chocolate.
Yes.
Got it.
That encases the styrofoam from the cake.
Yeah.
Okay? In case you get one of those kids who wants to come along and eat one of the ruffles that's on the cake, it's protected because kids love sugar.
Oh yeah.
We got to protect them.
It's not just kids.
Okay? So there you understand how the cone was made. Okay, I'm getting ready to buttercream this, and I don't want any crumbs in the buttercream, so I'm cleaning off my base that's my work surface for all the crumbs. Get those cleaned off with a spatula. See how the surface is clean right here? Because inevitably it's going to wind up in your buttercream, and if you're working with buttercream, then you're going to have crummy buttercream. Crummy buttercream, no buttercream, no crummy. We don't want crummy buttercream. Okay? So, now I've got you prepped for buttercreaming the cake. And I like a quick icer, and I always use a bag that's clean, washable. I love these pastry bags that are washable. Dawn is my friend.
And the quick icer, that's the name of the tip.
This is the name of the tip. It's got a
Got a flat side and
flat side
and a teethy side.
I use the flat side. If you actually use
Okay.
the toothy side, it's okay, but I use the flat side. And I always start from the bottom because gravity is not your friend with buttercream. If you start from the top, it could pull it off. See, and I'm pushing on whatever wants to come out with the pressure. Now when I use these bags, you see how I'm leaving the lip? I'm grabbing it here, and I'm going to make it go like this. Because if I pull it all the way down, and I go to push against that thing, I'm going to get buttercream all over my bowl. I don't want to get buttercream all over my bowl. So I'm going to use this edge, see, like that, so I can push against it for the pressure. Push it in here. Try not to get some over here on this one. Same time. There you go. Push it down, burp. Rotate it. Did I finish that? Oh, okay. Then we're back on top. See how this cone's coming in now?
Nice.
And it can touch the modeling chocolate, no problem. Nice thick layer of buttercream. If you don't burp the bag, you're going to have an explosion on your cake. And sometimes you want that and sometimes you don't. Okay, so we're going to smooth this out really quick. Clean off my knife. How to do this so you can see. Angled spatula, rotate. Now because there's no crumbs, I can put it back in the bowl. We're just trying to get a smooth angled surface for this so that our fondant will stick and the angle of the tree starts forming, okay? The buttercream goes up on, push that back. To the modeling chocolate, that's okay. It's all edible, it's not gonna break it down. A little bit of the green shows through, that's okay. I just don't prefer to have crumbs in my cake. Okay, now you're prepped. You're all prepped for the fondant. The other thing I started on the cake is we're going to use straight green on the bottom because I felt there should be a little bit of differentiation down there, and then we start the white. Really wanted you to see it.